Hello, my beautiful and gorgeous bougie friend. Welcome back to the channel. I know I've been gone for a really long time, friend, so we definitely need to catch up. I've been gone for like about a month, so let's create some press-on nails while I give you guys a little bit of a life update. Today is not going to be so much of a tutorial. It's going to be a little bit kind of like a podcast talk through type of video, you know what I mean? Because we have to catch up on so much. So on Instagram Live, I created this set and I decided that for today's video, we could bring it to life. And by the end of the video, we're going to see what it looks like all put together while I give you guys like a little bit of a life update. What do you guys think? Okay, so let's get started. Where do I begin? So the main reason why I have been missing from YouTube, friend, is because I have been struggling with YouTube and my comment section. To give you guys like a little quick breakdown on what's been going down with my comment section and whatnot, whenever I would upload a video, even though I would set it not for kids, YouTube would still turn off my comment section. And not just once, they would turn it off many times throughout the day and randomly. So I had to be on top of my video like 24/7. And whenever I would reach out to YouTube about it, I would ask them, hey, my comment section is being turned off. What's going on? It's being turned off by YouTube. YouTube would just copy and paste the child and safety guidelines and just send it to me. So I would send them an email back saying, I'm assuming that I'm breaking the child and safety guidelines. What exactly am I doing wrong so that I could prevent this from happening again? And what they would do is they would resend the child and safety guidelines again. So obviously I was breaking something in the guidelines that was making YouTube turn off my comment section. However, you guys watch my videos. What am I doing wrong? So I was really confused. I didn't know what I was doing wrong. However, I believe my voice probably triggers like the YouTube robots or the YouTube moderators. I think my voice is extremely high pitched. So I was recommended by a couple lovely YouTubers and other subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys helped me save my channel. I was recommended that I put a disclaimer on my YouTube, like where my YouTube bio is, and to put a disclaimer in my description box of my YouTube videos. And so far my comment section hasn't been turned off. So yay, Patrick. I'm so happy, I'm so excited, and I'm so happy to be back. However, after I fixed the problem, unfortunately, like my YouTube videos haven't been doing so good. Like it seems like YouTube is kind of shadow banning my channel a little bit, and a lot of you guys have been telling me that my videos haven't been pushed out to you guys as much too. So that honestly kind of really unmotivated me to come back to YouTube. Because as a content creator, you know, I want to share my content with my followers, you know, with my subscribers. However, YouTube isn't really pushing it out there. So I decided to experiment with like Instagram and TikTok. So I've just been on there lately, just making little short videos and stuff like that. And while I was taking my little mini YouTube break, because I didn't really mean to take this long of a break, the reason why I ended up taking this long of a break is because unfortunately my cat Petunia died. I'm honestly still in shock, and I'm still like at a loss for words because I don't know exactly how it happened. Petunia was a really healthy baby. She was really healthy. You guys saw her on my Instagram that weekend. She was playing in her little pink Barbie box, and next thing you know, she was gone. What ended up happening is Cesar woke up to go to work. Cesar's my husband, and when he woke up to feed the cats, he noticed that Petunia wasn't following him. Petunia was still sleeping, and he kept on calling her name over and over and over again, and she was still in her little sleeping position. And Cesar found it weird, and when he went to go touch her, that's when he said that he felt his heart sink to the bottom of his stomach, and he realized that she was really cold and her little leg was really stiff. So it seems like our Petunia passed away in her sleep. I'm still in shock with how everything happened, but I'm honestly comforted by the thought that my tiny tuna didn't suffer and that my tuna just peacefully passed away in her sleep. We ended up burying her in my mother-in-law's backyard, and we're planning on planting a little white rose bush in honor of my little white fluffy girl. And I also want to get like a portrait, a tattoo done of her on my arm. I'm currently looking for artists, so I can't wait to get that done so I can memorialize my little tuna on my arm and have her with me forever. And yeah, friend, that's pretty much my little mini life update, and that's what I've been going through lately. And no, I'm not quitting YouTube. I've been getting that question a lot through DMs. Life has just been getting in the way and has been smacking me around a little bit and just burnt me out. And if you guys are also going through a burnout or like a creativity block, the best advice that I could give you, friend, is to just slow down and listen to you. Just take life day by day, and if you need to take a break, take it. Life isn't a race, friend, and when you come back, you'll be ready and you'll be recharged and you'll be ready to create your best work with the best effort that you have in you. So don't be afraid to take a break. I know sometimes I get a little scared to take breaks because I'm such a perfectionist that whenever I take a break, I feel like I'm a loser or I feel like I'm being unproductive. But breaks are really necessary, friend. I feel like even though I took a really long break from YouTube, I feel extremely recharged and I feel ready to come back to YouTube and give you guys the best content that I have in me. I'm even motivated to switch up my content a little bit too. I don't know about you guys, but how do I say this? I'm getting a little bit bored with creating the same thing over and over and over again. I kind of want to do like a little bit more DIYs, or I want to do like more vlogs or something like that. Maybe do like nail vlogs. Maybe I should visit like a nail, not a nail salon, but like a nail supply store and buy nail supplies. Or maybe I should try to go back to the San Jose flea market before it closes and try to like get more nail supplies. Or I don't know, give me some ideas, friend. Do you guys want to see more nail DIYs? DIYs? Who the heck am I? German? Do you guys want to see more nail DIYs, or do you guys want to see a nail room tour? I'm actually in the process of recording a nail room tour because I'm actually going to be moving out of my old nail room. My old nail room is at my mom's house, and she's kind of started kicking me out, you guys. She wants to use the spare bedroom where my nail room is. She wants to like revamp it and turn it into like a little mini guest bedroom. She has like a whole bunch of DIY projects for it, so I have to move all of my stuff and I have to figure out how to fit my nail room into my current studio. So that's going to be like another video and like another little project that we have that I want to vlog for you guys. But yeah, let me know, friend. I am really excited to change up some content, and I'm really excited to just, I don't know, grow with you guys a little bit more. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below what you would like to see or what you would like to see me try to do, and I will be more than happy to see what we can create or what we can do with your awesome ideas. And yeah, this is what the set looks like, friend. I don't know if you remember the drawing that I drew out in the beginning of the video, but this is what it looks like on Instagram Live. Everybody picked like a hot pink kawaii type of look because the inspo of today's set was that giant heart charm in the middle. Do you guys see it? Isn't it hella cute? I love it, and I love all of the little detail that it has in it too. Also, before I leave, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. On the screen right now, I will be putting my only accounts. I only have my Instagram account that is Vanity Valencia with 3 A's at the end, and my TikTok account that is spelled Vanity Valencia as is, and I have this YouTube account, which is Vanity Val. These are my only accounts, friend. There have been a couple fake accounts of me floating around, so please don't fall for them. Please don't interact with them, and most importantly, just block them and report them so that they don't scam other people. It's really scary to think that there's somebody out there trying to hurt and scam my followers, so watch out and take care of yourself, friend. And that's pretty much the end of today's video. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end and hearing my little life update, friend. I didn't mean to abandon you. I feel like a bad mama. I promise I'll do better. I love you, I love you, I love you, my beautiful and gorgeous bougie friend. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next week. Mwah! Thank you. Bye.